Have you ever noticed? The moment someone tells you, don't do it, your brain whispers, actually, now I want to do it? Today, I'm going to show you how reverse psychology secretly influences your relationships, your habits, your decisions, even the way strangers treat you. And once you understand it, you'll never see everyday interactions the same way again. Let me tell you a quick story. Last week, my friend Mike wanted his 10-year-old son to stop playing video games and finish his homework. He said, "Buddy, stop playing now. Finish your homework." But the more he insisted, the more tightly the kid held the controller. Typical, right? So the next day, Mike tried something different. He walked up to his son and said casually, "You know what? Don't do your homework right now. Take your time. Play your game. In fact, don't even think about the homework until you really feel like it." The kid paused, looked confused, and within 10 minutes, he put the controller down and started writing. Why? Mike discovered what psychologists call reactance. When people feel forced, they resist. When people feel free, they choose. That one moment opened a loop in my mind. If this works on kids, does it secretly work on all of us? Let's be honest, even we adults aren't very different. You're on a diet. There's a bag of chips in the kitchen. You tell yourself, "I must not eat it." Your brain replies, "Must I though?" Suddenly, the chips become more tempting than ever, not because you're hungry, but because your freedom feels threatened. Ever text someone and they don't reply for hours? You fight the urge to message again, but then you think, "I shouldn't text again," and that makes you think about texting even more. A boss says, "I need this report done immediately." You feel stress, resistance, irritation. But if the boss says, "Take your time, do it properly, I trust your pace," you finish it faster. We respond to freedom, not force. Everyone experiences this. But here's the twist. Your brain is wired to protect your freedom. Psychologists call it reactance theory. The moment someone tries to control you, your brain pushes back to restore independence. This is why teenagers do the exact opposite of what parents say. We suddenly want something more when we're told it's unavailable. Scarcity marketing works. Only 2 items left. Your brain is constantly saying, "I decide what I want, not you." Let's apply this in your daily life, but not in a manipulative way. Instead, in a smart, healthy way. Instead of saying, "You have to listen to me," say, "You're free to disagree, but hear me out for a moment." People drop their guard and actually listen. Instead of, "Stop ignoring me," try, "Take your time, reply when you're free." The less pressure they feel, the sooner they respond. For your own habits, tell yourself, "I don't have to wake up early, but if I do, my day will feel easier." Your brain goes, that's reasonable. At work, instead of demanding things, give people ownership. You decide the best approach. I trust your judgment. Power given is power returned. A friend once told me this story. His girlfriend wanted him to stop smoking. She begged, argued, complained, but it didn't work. He smoked more out of frustration. One day she said, "You know what? It's your life. Quit when you feel ready. I'm here when you need support." That night, he looked at the cigarette and for the first time thought, "Maybe I want to quit." He quit within a month, not because she pushed him, but because she stepped back. Freedom changes people in a way pressure never can. So here's the final thought. The line I want you to remember. People don't resist you. They resist losing their freedom. Once you understand that, you stop forcing, you stop pushing, you stop demanding, and instead, you communicate in a way that respects people's choices, while guiding them toward better decisions. That is reverse psychology in real everyday life. Freedom changes people more than force ever can. Use that power wisely, with others and with yourself. And if you enjoy ideas that help you grow from the inside out, You're always welcome here at MindzRivo.